I'm Sophie Burrell.
Hey, I'm Brooke Lucci.
And we're here in Louisville, Kentucky with 6060 Sounds.
Playing some music and getting to know Louisville some more. It's so great to experience such a unique city like Louisville and connect with so many people through music. If you're a musician, Mom's Music in Louisville is absolutely worth checking out. Noche was one of the many great spots that we checked out in Louisville.
For the best view of the Louisville skyline, it's got to be a walk on the Big Fall Bridge. The Last Refuge was probably the most outrageous bar I've ever seen in my life.
Louisville Slugger is a baseball bat that's as tall as a 12-story building, and I'm having a great time hitting some of my own home runs. The Palace Theater is an incredibly beautiful music venue. The artwork and architecture is unlike anything I've ever seen.
If there's one thing you gotta eat in Louisville, it's the hot brown at the Brown Hotel.
Before there was bourbon, there was brandy, and Copper and Kings is taking it right back to their roots. It's really beautiful to see how they have honored Muhammad Ali, one of the greatest sportsmen of all time, in his hometown of Louisville.
Louisville has made me feel right at home. Great people, awesome music, and delicious food. I can't wait to come back.